welcome back. I've got the April release, and there are 3 regular stamp set, and then of course the Faith line. Just an FYI, the Faith line is now being released on the 15th along with the regular release, so that is perfect for you guys, so you guys pay only a one-time shipping fee. So yeah, I thought I would share that with you guys if you guys were debating, because usually we have the release at the end of the month for the Faith line, and that was 2 shipping, so we thought we would put them together so that you guys can save on your shipping. So let us get right into this release. The first stamp set, now before I go on, the 2 4x6 stamp sets are perfect for scene building, and you will see the other one in just a few minutes. But so anyways, this is called Save the Day, and there are coordinating dies that you can purchase as well. I know I say it 5 million times that how much I love this, but I especially love it when there's a lot of little pieces to cut out. So this really, if you guys still are debating on whether or not to get these die cuts, you really should, especially for scene buildings, because it will make your work process a lot quicker. Alright, so the first stamp set, like I said, is called Save the Day, and you have these cute little flowers. Now these can go on their heads, or you can make a border with these flowers. You have You're My Hero, Thanks for Saving the Day, Princess, Queen of the Castle, and then you have 4 character stamp sets. So you have a male, and then a guy in a knight uniform, and then you have 2 girls. You can make them both princesses, or 1 princess, 1 queen, however you guys want. And then you have a dragon, you have a castle, you have some trees, an open heart, some flowers that they could hold, a wand, and a solid heart, and then of course a crown, and then a castle. So I adore this stamp set, and I know that there's so many different ways I can use this and combine it with our other stamp sets. So I'm sure that you guys are probably way more creative than I am, and you will come up with something far more than what my imagination can come up with. I created this super simple little shaker, and I am debating on whether I should make it into a paper clip like this one, or put this on a card, make a card and then put this on a card. I really love these little mini characters because I can put them on something as small as something like this. So that's why when I saw this, I said, you know what, I kind of want to make a shaker card and do something a little different. So that's what I did, and like I said, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to make with this, or just leave it like that. I don't know. I think it's really cute. If you guys want a tutorial on this, I will link the video down below of how I created these shaker paperclip, and it's basically the same thing without the paperclip. So I will link that down below if you guys are interested. And yep, that's what I created using Save the Day. So the next stamp set that we previewed, I'm going in order of how we previewed them, because I will also list all the blog posts where the DT showcased what they created using these stamp set. So this next stamp set is a little, I think this is 3x4. It's called Sing It, and look how adorable these monkeys are. I fell in love with them. They're just so cute, and you know, once again, they're a set that you can use in several different ways. Again, coordinating dies that you can purchase as well. So you've got 4 little monkeys, you got one holding a heart, one's holding a sign saying hello, one playing, I don't know if that's a ukulele or a guitar, and then one playing the drums, and then you have some notes, and then sing it as your sentiment. I was trying to figure out what to make. I kind of was burnt out in making cards, so I went ahead and made a little tag or a bookmark, whatever you want. It has happy birthday. It's very light. It kind of blends in with the paper I used, so I don't know if that was a good choice. But anyways, this is a tag that I'm going to put on a GIF, and I colored this little monkey. I added the birds from one of the faith set. I will put that information down below as well. I cut out a heart with my Fiskars punch, and then just put one of the happy faces that we have, like from one of our coffee stamp set, and I just put a face on that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted it to be simple, and just thought it was really cute, and I'm going to put this on a GIF, like I said. So yep, that is how it looks, and that is how I used it creating this tag. Alright, the last regular stamp set is called Make a Splash, just like the Save the Day. It's a scene builder stamp set. Again, you don't have to use it as a scene builder, but it is perfect for that, and you can use it in so many ways. Coordinating dies as well. And then you have, let's start with the sentiment, Make a Splash, Seize the Day, and Waving Hello. Then you have a trident, a seahorse, a merman, a treasure tress, a school of fish, little rocks, or I think that's rocks, heart, fish, a crown, another merman, a mermaid, another mermaid, dolphin, and then kelp or seaweed or whatever that is, and then a little, I'm not quite sure what this is called. If anybody knows what this is called, please leave a comment down below, because I am horrible. I don't know what this is called, but it's perfect for your scene building, obviously. And I love it because, you know, we also have other mermaid stamp sets that this will go perfectly well with. And wait until you see the next few releases, because they will go perfectly well with this stamp set as well. Okay, so what I use, or what I created using the stamp set, I made this little favor box, made a little tiny scene, and I really enjoy creating this one, because this cutout silhouette, I will put that in the link down below as well, was perfect for this stamp set. So yep, that's what I created using Make a Splash. Alright, last but not least is our faith stamp set, and this one is called Precious. So you have the Lord looks at the heart, God, beautiful, glorious, heart, you are more precious than jewels. Excuse me. And then you have all these jewels and gems that you can add to your page. Again, this is a perfect stamp set, not only for your Bible pages, but for cards as well. Someone doing First Communion, a sympathy card, confirmation, anything like that. Perfect. You could also, if you don't want to make it a religious card, you could just go ahead and wipe off the wings and just have a little girl there. And so yeah, and then of course these jewels can be for anything, for cards, for scrapbooks, anything you want to make it. It does not have to be for the faith, for anything faith related for those who don't Bible journal. So yeah, I created, let's see, this page using, I went ahead and just used the sentiment, the Lord looks at the heart, and then I wrote my little journaling. I stamped the heart gem, and then I forgot which the set is, but that will be in the links down below as well. And this is another one from another faith stamp set. So yeah, I just went ahead and watercolor and then stamped. I watercolored my paper first and then stamped these, cut it out, and then glued it onto my pages. I did it with both the flowers and the butterflies. So yeah, really simple. I really do enjoy doing these Bible journal pages. It always gives me time to reflect and have some devotion time, like I always say. Sometimes I get too busy, unfortunately, and having this these stamp sets that go perfectly well with my Bible really helps me have that devotional time, because you need that just to refresh yourself and remember the important things. So anyways, this is what was released in April on the 15th. Every release date is on the 15th. So don't forget, and they are available now at the Greeting Farm. greetingfarm.com. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next video. Talk to you later. Bye.